Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme C51 and let me share with you how to turn on automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom, and here we've got two scenarios. If you've got the developer options turned on, you will have to enter the system. If not, a quick tutorial of how to turn them on. Tap on About Phone, tap on the version and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about them. So after activating the developer options, we have to enter the system. Now let's tap on the developer options, and here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. Simply tap on this switcher and from now on this option is active, which simply means that your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really need to remember about manually updating your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.